Okay, so now we are going to talk about multiplying decimals, something that should also be familiar to you. But the only difference this year is that the decimals will be either positive or negative. So let's take a look at those types of problems. Just to review real quickly, hopefully we remember that when we are multiplying decimals, you will still line the problem up vertically, but this time it's not by the decimal point, but more by the digits. What I mean by that is, for example, I will put the 0.35 or 3.5 first, and under that I can just put multiply by 0.42. If you notice, this time the decimal points aren't lined up. They're not even lined up by place value. They're just one digit on top of another. Nothing very fancy there. So then you just start multiplying. Again, this part should be review. I have to determine where the place or the decimal point goes. It's 2 places over here, 1 place over here, so it will end up being 3 places over in my answer. Therefore, the product looks like it's 1.47. If I want to add the 0 at the end, I can, but it's not necessary. It won't change the value. Again, all of that should have been reviewed. The only thing that's different this year, obviously, since you are now using negatives, you must use your integer rules. And hopefully we remember our multiplication rules for integers. If the signs are the same, your answer is positive, but if the signs are different, then your answer would be negative. In this particular example, same problem as before, so I already know what the product was, 1.47, but the only difference is I need to determine, is this a positive or negative? And remember, a negative times a positive gives you a negative. So the point of this is for you to understand that your integer rules still do apply even when you are multiplying decimals.